you belong. You've been this brave all along. What broke you once made you strong.